Hello friends, in this problem you have been given an exponential equation and you have to solve for x. And this equation is you have 4 raised to the power x is equals to 1 by 4 raised to the power x plus 1 by 64 raised to the power x. Now how will you solve this problem? You can notice you have a term 4 raised to the power x and here also you have 4 raised to the power x. And somehow you can convert this term also as 4 raised to the power x. Then you can use substitution. So that is the major idea for solving this problem. So let us try this. We will have 4 raised to the power x. This is equals to 1 by 4 raised to the power x. And 64 I can write 4 into 4 into 4. That is 4q and this raised to the power x. Now if you remember, there is a rules in exponent, that is if we have a raised to the power m and this raised to the power n, this can be written as a raised to the power m times n, or this can also be written as a raised to the power n raised to the power m. So basically exponent changes its position. In this case n is outside the bracket, now here n is inside the bracket. In this case m is inside, but now here m is outside. So we can change the position of exponent. So let us apply this rule. So we will have 4 raised to the power x is equals to 1 by 4 raised to the power x plus 1 by 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 3. Now understand why I use this change of exponent, because now here also you have 4 raised to the power x. And everywhere you have 4 raised to the power x. So now I can make a substitution. So let us make a substitution, and this is t is equals to 4 raised to the power x. So with this substitution, what we will have? We will have t is equals to 1 by t plus 1 by tq. And let us multiply by tq throughout. So we will have, this will be t4 and this will be tq divided by t, that is t square, and this is simply 1. So you have an equation, and this equation is quadratic in t square. So t4 minus, or let me first write, t4 is equals to t square plus 1. And let us take everything to the left hand side. So this will be t4 minus t square minus 1. This is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in t square. So I can solve for t square. And in this case, what is the value of a? A is 1 and b is minus 1 and c is equals to minus 1. You remember the equation of a quadratic is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and the root is given by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, and this divided by 2a. So let us use this result and then I can solve for t square. So t square will be minus b, so minus of minus plus minus b square 1 minus 4ac, so this becomes 4 divided by 2. So t square is plus 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So I will have two roots. The first root is t square is equals to plus 1 minus root 5 and this divided by 2, and the second root is t square is equals to plus 1 plus root 5, this divided by 2. Now see, this is negative, but t square cannot be negative. It has to be positive. That's why this root is rejected. And if I'm looking for real numbers, in that case this root has to be rejected. And this solution is accepted, that is t square is equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. But what is t? T is 4 raised to the power x. So now I can say 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 is equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So I have to solve for x. Basically once again I can interchange the power. So x, let's take x outside the bracket and 2 inside of the bracket. So we can write So this becomes 4 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x, and this is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This means 16 raised to the power x is equals to root 5 plus 1 by 2. So from here, how will you find x? Of course, you have to take log. So let us take log and solve this problem finally. So you have 16 raised to the power x is equals to root 5 plus 1 by 2. And now if you take log, so log of 16 raised to the power x, and in this case base is 10, so root 5 plus 1 by 2. And if you remember rules of log, that is log of a raised to the power m is equals to m times log a. So if I use this rule, I can rewrite this becomes x log 16 equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So this means x is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by log 16. So you can either leave the answer in terms of log and a square root, or if you have a calculator, you can solve this. So if you will solve, you will find x is equals to 0.174. So this is the final answer for this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.